Academic Maths Nursery 4 Plus, page 17. Dear children, today we will read about number 5. Say aloud and trace with fingertips. Starting from the top, follow the given pattern. Now say aloud 5, 5, 5. What do you see on this page? Yes, you are right. 5 frogs. That's good. STEAM activity. Use a piece of paper, paint, and markers. Dip one finger into the paint. Then make 5 fingerprints on the piece of paper. You may use your favorite color to complete this task. You may also take your teacher's help. Be careful. You must keep your uniforms away from the paint. Think and tell. How many fingers are there in your right hand? Count the fingers of your hand. Wow, they are 5 in number. Dear teachers, make the children learn tracing, speaking, and writing the numeral 5. Tell them about the objects that are naturally found as 5 entities, 5 corners of a star, etc. Help them with STEAM activity. Use sand tray to trace the numeral 5 and practice accordingly. Have a nice day.